Right, so welcome to Economics Malawi YouTube channel where you are going to be learning different things from different fields, disciplines, economics, mathematics, statistics, development, and other fields. So we are not limited to economics, but we are more interested in economics. So that's why we are calling ourselves Economics Malawi. So today we're going to offer some lessons in Stata. We're introducing Stata to beginners, people who have never used Stata, people who are afraid of Stata, or people who have never heard of Stata, but they want at least to after attending this lesson can start having interest in Stata. So Stata is an application that is used in analysis of data. It is used in social sciences. So an important tool for you and me if you are interested in research or you are involved in data management. So I'm introducing Stata in this lesson, and this one is suitable for people who are just beginning, not for people who are already using Stata, because they are going to learn nothing new. So Stata is an application that you can use just like a calculator. It just helps you to do some computations, calculations. It's not a magic bullet that it will do things for you that you are not familiar with, but you will be commanding Stata to do things that you would want to do by hand, but it will take you so long to accomplish that. So I've opened Stata, and as you can see, uh, there are some windows. So we have got variables window. To our right, we've got a variables window, and in the middle, we've got the output window, and to our left, we've got history window. So down here, we've got command window. So you use the command window to type something. You can type with the commands here. So once we type the command and press enter, we'll see the output here in this window, and we'll see also what things are happening. If we are creating variables, we'll see variables being created here, and the commands that we are running, they will be kept here. So let's run a command, generate. This command is used to generate a variable. So generate a variable called age. So let's put some argument. Age is equal to dot, meaning dot means missing value. So we're creating age, but age will have no values. So if we press enter, we have successfully created a variable called age, and in the variables window you can see we've got now a variable called age. We can also generate another variable called 6, and then 6 is equal to also some missing values. So if we press enter, we'll have another variable called 6. Then, and we can also create another variable by the same command, generate. So let's create a variable weight, which is also containing missing values for now. So for now, we have created three variables. We have created three variables using these commands, and they have run successfully. So we want to label these variables. So you can see the label for this variable age is empty, the label for 6 is empty, and the label for weight is empty. So we don't want the variables to have no labels. So we want our age to have some label, variable label. So we say label variable age, and then we put this what do you call them, and say age of a student. Okay, so in the double quotations we've got the label of the variable age. So if you look closer to the command that we have typed here, we are saying label variable age in double quote course age of a student. If we press enter, that command has successfully run, and you can now see that the label for variable age is no longer empty. We have got the label age of student, which means if somebody sees this data set will say, okay, this age is for a student. We want also to label the variable sex. So say label variable sex and put those double quotations and say sex of a student. So now if we run that command, you can see now I've got the label for the variable sex. We also want to label variable weight. We want to label it as weight of a student. So which means now we've got variable names and variable labels in the variables window. So we have got successfully generated 3 variables which are missing values for now, and they have got the variable labels. So we have used these commands to produce these variables. Now I want to start entering data. We want to start entering data. So we can we can type the command edit. If you type the command edit and press enter, Stata will take us to the edit window where we can start entering values for our students. So first student is age 20. These are university students, and this student has got a weight of 60, and no, this student is female, so we'll give her the value of 1. And weight, this student is weighing 60. And the next student is age 22 and is male, so we're going to say 2 because this student is male. And so this student is weighing 55. And the next student is 30 and is also male and is weighing 75. And there's this other student who is 18 and is female and is weighing 55. And we're going to enter for 10 students. So this other student is 25 and is weighing 65, 66. Is weighing 66, but she's female, so she's weighing 66. And the other student is 28, is female as well, and is weighing 70. And there's this other student who is male, is weighing is 30 years old, is male, and is weighing 66. And there's this other student, 32, and this one is male and is weighing 78. And there's this other student who is age 19, is female, and is weighing 56. And this other student, the last student, who is age 29 and is male and is weighing 80. So this is how you can enter data after creating variables. So then we can save this data in our on the desktop. So I'm going to say this is lesson 1 data, lesson 1 data. So we see, so we have saved this data set, so we can come back to this data set later on. So the main purpose of this lesson was to introduce data, introduce the 4 windows: variables window, output window, history window, and the command window. And also we would have demonstrated how you can use the command window to do whatever you want to do, following the syntax that Stata will understand. So you cannot just type anything, but you have to type things that Stata will understand. So like the command generates, Stata will understand that this guy wants to create a variable. So I was following the syntax. I typed generate, then name of the variable age, then put the double quotations, and inside the quotation, no, that was for labeling, but for then I put the equal sign and the dot sign and pressed enter so that I can create this variable age. I did the same for sex and weight. For labeling, so we said label variable. So we said label variable age and then put the double quotations and say age of a student as a label for that variable, then pressed enter. So we came up with this label here. So you can after this lesson you can try to create your data set with different variable names or the same variables, and then you do follow whatever I've done and enter some data so that you can have a feel of data. Thank you very much. So in the next lesson we're going to practice how to start using that data set so that we might do some manipulations, some calculations from the data set. Thank you very much.